Good morning. Welcome to today's village vlog. So I've been filming for Instagram, but today I figured I should give you guys some content. So I'm just going to take you on what we do in a day in the village, whatever we get up to today. So now prepping meat and beans. Want to make beans porridge, want to roast yam, roast plantain, boil this bone, and yeah, come along. I'm better the whole yam.
Yes.
This is it. Eva.
Sapro.
Yeah.
I'm okay. Ọkwa na-akpụ maka ka ọha bịa buru the thing that wote tupu n'ụlọ nwe onye nke gbadata. Abọtụrụ.
Dans les roast plantain. Ils smoke. Là, les piles.
On go peel am now. But we wan roast am.
The whole roast the yam.
Use cook the beans.
Plantain. Check fire. Let me tell you people, this one is doing moral support. He was hitting this before anyway, but then this one he's now giving his brother moral support. Let we see go. Meanwhile, I'm cooking meat over there because I'm about to make jollof rice. I'm very exhausted. Hey, can't you move forward though? See this tree.
What?
The tree. But that thing can enter fire like that, though.
Eh?
Yes, now. Hey, it's okay, it's okay. Hey, God, I beg. Because they want to boil water. That one is harder to do now. Okay, they broke it into. I bet good job, oh. Let me tell you guys what this is. This is called akbakuru. I don't know the English name for it, but it looks like snail. So this is what it looks like.
Go back to English.
Water snail. No one they're gonna go mess. Okay, so this is a water snail. Okay, bring it forward. This is what it looks like. It's actually very tasty. She has already boiled it for like about 30 minutes, and then now she just plucks it out of the shell. And then you still wash it like you wash snail with a lot of salt because it's quite slimy. I've used this to make okra soup on this channel. We're still out here cooking. We have a pot of jollof rice over there. Then we're boiling another rice because I think we miscalculated, but the rice we boiled is not enough. The rice we cooked is not enough. So I'm about to start a fresh pot of jollof rice. But that one should be a full pot. I added some water into it. I think for some reason this rice doesn't double in size properly. Well, doing a number of things. I think this is how it usually is for us. I'm about to say hi. This one is eating bottom of pot. Maybe is the rice okay? Hey guys, we're making our village soup. Oh, this your touch is not shiny well. Tear it up a bit. So she has put granite. This granite soup. And we have akbakoro and fish here. It's a small soup shop. Why have you not put oil? Not to share jerky meat. This donkey meat is a staple in my village. I think that a lot of people may have eaten this and they can't even tell. It's like very sweet. Like when you fried it, it looks like beef. It's very, very sweet. Bring on to show them what the meat looks like. So this one is actually roasted. It is very, very sweet. Like it's type of meat you eat and you'll be like, this beef is very sweet though. I'm about to share now. I feel this vlog is very chaotic at this point, but what can I manage? So she has just added these leaves. It is called uturukpa. It's our village. It's our village. If you're from Igbo, you probably know it. Either as uturukpa or something else. It looks so good. I wish we made this in the morning so you could watch it properly. Won't you add water? Hey guys, we're up this morning. These Irish potatoes, yams. I'm still going to bring more yams because I don't think this will be enough. We have our eggs over there and some veggies we don't want to spoil. Cabbage, carrots, bell pepper, small onions there. And you can already guess we're having fried yam, fried Irish potatoes and eggs for breakfast. Let's get cooking. Up some yam now, so I want to attempt to make fire because I actually don't know how to make fire. And what I like to do when I'm cooking in bulk is make sure I have everything I need around me ready. So here I cut the yam into here, I peel it into these shapes, put them in this water, and then before I fry them I'm going to sieve them here, right? So soaking in water also helps it such that when you fry it's soft inside but it's crispy outside. Then I have water here for cooking, for doing things I need to do, because that is a bit far. Then eggs here, I'm going to break that one later. Then here, close to the fire area, I already have the sieve. There's a tray underneath it, so it's not touching the bucket. Then my frying spoon. Then here I just have a few spices that I need to refill it anyway, but I have my spices here. So let me try to put fire. Exhausted at this point. Okay, go film for Instagram today. So, I already had our fries for breakfast. Here I'm frying chicken. Eh?
Used to roast yam in the village. We are roasting yam for my uncle. Native yam for my uncle.
We're roasting yam. Where's the second one? Second yam. Actually roasting the Go make pepper soup. I think this is where this vlog will end though. Because I'm done now. And it's gonna make it too spicy. Bye.